Have you ever wondered why a very smart person can stay poor, while another person who seems quite ordinary becomes a multimillionaire? Here is what is really happening. Most people are held back not by a lack of knowledge, but by the wrong way of thinking. And if you watch this video until the end, you will literally fine-tune your brain, the same way one of the wisest investors in history did, Charlie Munger. His approach is simple, but it changes everything. Here is a small fact that sets the tone for this video. During 60 years of working alongside Warren Buffett, one of the richest people on the planet, Munger built his fortune with very little risk. He did not rely on luck and did not chase fast money. He simply became 1% smarter every day, just 1%. And in this video, I will show you his strategy, step by step, so you can apply it in your own life. Secret number 1. Avoid stupidity. Don't chase genius. Munger said, "My approach is simple. I don't try to be the smartest person. I just try to avoid being stupid. A little common sense and avoiding madness is the best plan." And if you think about it, this is brilliant. Most people are constantly looking for a magic solution, a unique idea, a golden strategy, or the perfect moment. But Munger did the opposite. He eliminated situations that guaranteed failure. Let's be honest, many financial failures are not bad luck. They are bad decisions. People take loans they cannot repay. They buy things they don't need. They invest in projects they don't understand. Munger avoided anything that involved risk he could not measure. His simple rule was, if you want to be smart, learn how not to be an idiot. He believed that wealth is not built by 10 brilliant decisions, but by avoiding 100 stupid ones. And when you think about it, this is extremely practical advice. Imagine you are trying to fill a bucket with water, but it has holes in it. Most people look for more water. Munger looked for the holes and fixed them. Here are the holes Munger advised to avoid at all costs: high-interest debt, questionable businesses, partnerships with unreliable people, emotional investing, and ideas that sound too good to be true. You may be surprised, but fixing these 5 holes will increase your wealth more than the best investments. Secret number 2. Use a lattice of mental models. This is probably Charlie Munger's most famous and most complex principle, but I will explain it so simply that even a child could understand it. Each of us has a set of tools in our mind: knowledge. Many people try to solve every problem with just one tool. If you only have a hammer, every problem looks like a nail, and you try to solve everything the same way. Munger said, if all you have is a hammer, you will destroy things even when you wanted to fix them. Successful people use different tools: physics, economics, psychology, biology, history, mathematics. They take the best models from different fields. Why? Because the real world is complex and does not work within one discipline. Psychology explains why people behave irrationally during crises. Economics explains how value works. Mathematics helps measure risk. Biology explains why people act like a herd. Physics explains why systems move toward balance. Munger said, to think like a genius, you need not one model, but a whole network of ideas working together. This interdisciplinary thinking is what made him different from other investors. Here is a simple example. Imagine you want to start a business. You think, the product is great, so it will succeed. But Munger would use at least 5 models. Psychology: why do people buy? Economics: what are the entry barriers? What are the margins? Competition: what is your competitive advantage? Probability: what is the risk of failure? Inversion: what could destroy this business? And this leads us to the next principle. Secret number 3. Inversion. Think backwards. Munger loved this method. If you want success, first ask yourself, what will definitely lead me to failure? It sounds strange, but it works. For example, how not to become rich. Spend more than you earn. Take debt. Ignore investing. Work only for a salary. How not to build a career. Refuse opportunities. Waste time on your phone. Stop learning. When you clearly understand what destroys results, you can build a strategy by avoiding those things. Munger said, I avoid everything that guarantees poverty. Everything else takes care of itself. It's like walking through a minefield. It's not that hard if you know where the mines are. Secret number 4. Circle of competence. This is one of Munger's most practical ideas. He said, you must know the limits of your knowledge and not cross them. In other words, don't go where you are not an expert. If you understand real estate, invest in real estate. If you understand crypto, work there. If you understand marketing, grow in marketing. Munger said, It's foolish to try to be the best at something you don't understand. Work within your circle of knowledge. Most people lose because they operate outside their circle of competence. They try to make money in areas where they have no knowledge or experience. But here is the key point. Your circle of competence can be expanded. Munger did this every day, but he never rushed. He studied a subject until he could say, "Now this is inside my circle." This discipline is the highest form of protection against mistakes. Secret number 5. The ability to wait is a superpower. Munger said, "Big money doesn't come to the smartest people. It comes to those who can wait patiently." In a world where everyone wants everything right now, patience is rare. But Munger understood that wealth grows over time. He waited for years before investing. He said, "I act only when the opportunity is perfect. There's no point in waiting any longer." He has a famous quote, "To be truly successful, you need a lot of time." This goes against what we are usually taught. We hear, "Be active, take action, work non-stop." But Munger said, "Wait until the odds are in your favor." Warren Buffett once said, "Munger taught me how to sit and wait." And this skill made Buffett one of the richest investors in the world. Your superpower is patience. If you learn to wait for the right moment, life will reward you much more. Secret number 6. Love facts, not emotions. Munger was a calm and rational thinker. He said, "Don't let emotions control your financial decisions." What do emotions look like in money? Panic during market drops, chasing hype, fear of missing out, jealousy of other people's success. Emotions are the main enemy of wealth. Munger said, "Big money is not made when you buy or sell, but when you wait patiently." And this is absolutely true. Secret number 7. Look for return multipliers. Charlie Munger always looked for situations where one correct action brought much more value than it seemed at first. He called these return multipliers. The idea is simple. Instead of spreading your effort across many small actions with little impact, focus on a few actions that create exponential results. For example, by investing in a company with a strong competitive advantage, you benefit not only from current profits, but also from long-term growth, reputation, and network effects. Or when learning a new skill, choose one that opens many doors. Negotiation skills can improve your career, business, and personal relationships at the same time. Munger said, "Don't just look for good opportunities. Look for opportunities with multiplying effects." If you learn to recognize such actions and invest your time and money in them, the returns will be much higher than from many small decisions. Every time you face a choice, ask yourself, does this action create a return multiplier, or is it just staying busy? Always choose the first one. This is one of the main reasons why Munger and Buffett achieved such extraordinary results without chasing trends. Secret number 8. Bet on rare and valuable skills. Charlie Munger believed that success comes to those who master skills that are rare and hard to replace. He called this intellectual capital, the ability to do what very few people can do, or to do it much better than others. Why is this important? In the modern world, most people chase popular and common skills. But if you become excellent in a rare field, your value increases sharply, and opportunities, money, and influence follow. For example, many people can write basic code, but someone who understands machine learning algorithms and can build efficient models becomes highly valuable. Many investors follow popular stocks, but if you can find undervalued companies with long-term potential, you win. Munger advised, "Don't spend your life copying the crowd. It leads to mediocrity. Focus on mastering the best knowledge and skills ever created by others, and find your own unique mix of abilities. That's how you become a leader, not just competitive." Analyze your strengths. Find areas where knowledge is rare and hard to copy, and invest your time and energy there. This creates long-term results that ordinary effort cannot achieve. And now we come to the climax, the core idea of Charlie Munger. Munger said, "Try to become a little wiser every day. Step by step, you move forward." He did not become wealthy because of luck, but because of a habit, becoming slightly smarter every day. This is possible for anyone, even if you are starting from zero, even if you have no connections, even if you have no capital. If you expand your circle of competence, avoid stupidity, think through inversion, and make decisions based on facts rather than emotions, you will start moving upward, and nothing will be able to stop you. I am confident of that and wish you great success. This is the Money Channel. You will get richer,